Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I have for you another Twosun that I would like to share with you. So this is the TS66-G10. So the lowest number, this lower number indicates that this is one of the older designs, and recently there were really a lot of new beautiful titanium, carbon fiber, micarta designs, but this is something that harkens back at the start of the Twosun production line, which were inexpensive folders that encompass good quality with decent materials. So that is nothing like it to be said that it's cheap or something like that. No, this is a well-made knife, but it hits not the 50 and above price point. So the 66 and G10 is a design that originally was produced in a high quality version, full titanium. It's a rather costly knife. If I'm mistaken, it does cost around $200 or almost $300, so yeah, rather expensive. But now there is an option in which you can get the design with decent steel and G10. So I got one here for my collection. So this is obviously a 9 morning design. I don't know if it is marked. Yeah, it is marked. So 9 morning design. So the OG, the original knife designer for Twosun knives. And let me give you a quick specifications. So we have a whole length of 21.4 centimeters or 8.4 inches. The blade length is 9.3 centimeters or 3.6 inches. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inch. The blade width is 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches. The handle is 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches. The handle thickness is 1.6 centimeters or 0.6 inch. It's made out of two G10 colors. It has a nice deep carry ambidextrous pocket clip. We have a really nice weight reduction. The steel liners are nicely and reduced to save up on weight. The blade is made out of 14C28N, so Sandvik steel, so decent corrosion resistance and toughness. It is a liner lock design, nice and sturdy. Rides on cavity ceramic ball bearings, so it will be nice and smooth out of the box. The clip is made out of 420 stainless, probably also on the liners, but it's not specified, and it has a really nice bend to it, so it will not shred your pockets and will be easy to put in your pocket and out. So let me demonstrate that. Here we have my old jean pocket. So yeah, like expected, really nice. It will go out with any problems. Let me demonstrate you the sharpness. I usually forget this part. So it has a little bit of a toothy edge, but still sharp. Nothing that the light stropping could not mitigate. Price wise, you are looking at around $43, but usually they are on sale, so you can expect this one to get one at around $39. And I always suggest go check out eBay. They have a reseller there. You can enter an auction and buy it even cheaper. Depends on the current demand, how many people would like to get one, but they will still have next one. So yeah, if you set your price and somebody outbids you, then do not challenge them, just wait on the next one. If you are in no hurry, then I always suggest go and try to auction one out. Okay, but if you can't wait, then of course you can go to AliExpress and buy directly from them. I will link you down below, like I always do, so you can go and check them out. Okay, so the weight of the knife is 138.7 grams or 4.9 ounces, so almost 5 ounces. It feels really nice in the hand because it has nice geometry, and this will definitely not slip out. Okay, so let me show you a few size comparisons, like I always like to do. So let us start with a large Griptilian. It's even larger, as you can see. A Spyderco Endura. Back. This is the Vintage Pro. I have here my Buck Sprint Pro. Cold Steel Recon 1. QSP Cebu, QSP Pelican, and Tua Knives Cebu. Okay, so this was the Twosun TS66-G10 variant. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but also sometimes hobby stuff like miniature painting, miniature building, so unboxings of different products regarding the hobby, and watches sometimes, of course. It has to be somewhat EDC related. Okay, so I wish you a wonderful day and see you soon. Bye.